In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best KFC discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for KFC discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called voucher codes. And as you can see, we have a list with some deals that you can use to get some discounts right here. So for example, if you want to get, let's say, this promo right here, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says get deal, and there is no coupon code required for this one. Simply tap right here where it says continue to KFC, and you'll be redirected to the website where the promotion will be applied automatically. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called Voucher Discount. And right here, we also have some promo codes, as you can see, that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one with up to 40% discount, right here, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says show code, and I'm just going for the voucher right here to load up, and after that I can simply copy the promo code and use it to get the discount. So I'm going to wait a little bit right now, and then tap right here, and this is the promo code right here that you can copy and use it in order to get the 40% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.